Bitch, I'm self-made. Bitch, I'm self-made. Bitch, I don't need a label, cause I ain't a label. I'm saying I'm stable, yes, I'm on the grind too. You see, I got the finest shit, finest beats, the crew behind me too, yeah. I'm a self-made, self-paid, don't need no validation. Rapper made my dedication, my salvation, building my foundation from the ground up by heroes, yeah. I've been through the lows, yeah, but I'm reaching for the stars. That's where my vision goes. I got the hunger, the drive, the ambition inside every lyric I draw. Yeah, I'm a lyrical homicide. I spit these bars, break this tension, this red no game. Yeah, no need for the stage name. They all gonna know my name. I'm the king of the kingdom, y'all reign supreme. Yeah, every verse, every nine's like a vivid dream. I paint the picture with my ways. Every rhyme's a masterpiece. I'm carving my legacy. Let the world bear witness and see me in this red game. I'm the captain of my shit, sailing through the water.